At like a number of things, we highlighted the variable declarations because in COBOL, it's really hard to discern meaning out of variables, but it's trying to discern meaning, and it came up with, I think this program reads vouchers and calculates and reports totals. A, very generic, and B, very wrong. So it was wrong on both fronts. That's because the model could only do so much and largely focused on kind of syntactic understanding as opposed to real bona fide semantic understanding. So we came back through with our Z Premium package, with our skills, agents, and tools, and asked it the same question. It correctly identified this program as, oh, this is an actual pilot flight tracking program, right? So it actually knew what it did. How did it do this? Internally, we actually did a number of things. One, we built an entire data dictionary, right, to understand the semantic value, semantic meaning associated with the variables, and not just that, but the code logic itself. And we, with more than leveraging again, I'm going to say it over and over again, leveraging again our skills, our agents, our tools, to be able to do all of this, to be able to actually deliver a very comprehensive and concrete understanding of what this application is actually doing. So again, like, if anybody says, oh, it's just skills, no, it's not. You saw two different versions of skills come to bear here with two different results. That's like saying everything in software is the same. Every solution is the same. They all have the same value. They're all written the same way. They all have the same innovation. They don't. Our skills, our agents, our tools, more and more coming, are specifically catered to what we can do with our platform, what we can do with our languages, what we can do with our operations and IT automation across the board. Second quick demo is, now that we have that application understanding, I want to go in and say, tell me everything you can tell me about the control flow, like of this actual application. So it's actually generating markdown files using mermaid diagrams, and it's literally going through and saying, here's the program flow, here's the data flow, here's the error handling flow. Like, it's going to give you, here's the actual, again, more about how the variables are actually interconnected with one another throughout the entire application. You're getting all of this now. Why? Because we actually have very, very deep semantic understanding of this application now. So imagine a developer coming in now, cold, or even very, very experienced, and saying, here is what this application, here's the blueprint of this entire application. Now go innovate. And by the way, use Bob and Z Premium package to help you innovate on this application. That's what this capability is offering for our users in this space. So without further ado, if you could help me welcome Victoria Herculova.